Hey everybody, Nicole here from Hair of the Dog Academy. Welcome to Hair of the Dog Academy TV. Today's episode, we are looking at Hotjar, which is an incredible software and it can be free to help you figure out what happens to clients when they come to your website. If you want more tips and tricks to help you run a successful pet photography business and improve your pet photography craft, go ahead and hit subscribe on this channel, and we release new videos every single week. Have you ever wondered where people go when they come to your website? If you have your website up and you're like, why am I not getting inquiries? Are people actually clicking on my book now button? Are they starting to fill out my form? Are they getting lost? Are they bouncing away and not seeing anything? Man, I have got an incredible tool for you. It is called Hotjar, and it is a software that has a whole bunch of different bells and whistles. But for this, we just need to use the free plan. So we're going to install just this little bit of code onto our site, and then we're going to be able to get all sorts of incredible data from this program. In order to get started, just sign up for an account. It's just going to be the free account. You walk through the different bits. You're going to go ahead and put in your email in here, and then it's going to give you a little tiny piece of code, and then you're just going to go ahead and install that onto your site. I don't want to have a little widget on there. So here we go. We're going to install Hotjar with our Squarespace. We're just going to choose install it manually. We are going to copy this bit of code. We're going to add it to the back end of our site and then come and verify that it's been installed. If you want to know where to add the code into a Squarespace site, go ahead and come down to website settings. We're going to go to developer tools, code injection, and then we can go ahead and add our header code right in here. If you have a different type of website, simply Google how to add header code to your type of website. Now that we added that code to our site, we come back into Hotjar and we're going to verify that installation. Sometimes you need to wait a few minutes because maybe it takes a second. So we're going to go ahead and verify, and it does say that it is successful. So it is good, and it is going to start capturing data. Now, depending on how much traffic you get to your site, you might have to give it a couple days, maybe a week or so, but it will start capturing that data, and let me show you what it looks like once it starts to. Instead of making you wait till I get the data on that website that I just installed it in, let me show you what it looks like to get the data on another page that I've been tracking. So we jump into Hotjar, and really what we care about here are these heat maps. We're going to go ahead and click New Heat Map, and then go ahead and choose the main page that you want to see the heat map for. Usually that's going to be maybe your home page, maybe your investment page, maybe your contact page. You can have all sorts of different pages here, but we're going to go ahead and look at it on our main page. I'm going to go ahead and skip this because I want to be able to move it around. And then just go ahead and grab one of these, whichever one looks, these all look the same. So we're just going to grab one of these screenshots that looks like our page, and we're going to let it go ahead and load. So one of the first things that it's going to load here is you can see clicks. So it's showing us where the different clicks are for this site. We can go ahead and close that if we want to see more. We can scroll down and see where people are clicking. You can see lots of people are clicking right here, 60% right there on my button there. And then we can also see what looks like on mobile, which is really great to be able to see where people are clicking on mobile, which is 90% of all taps are happening right here on mobile. Okay, so let's go back here to desktop. Let's open this up. Let's also look at scroll. This is a really interesting one and really important maybe on the home page of your website, because it's going to tell us how far down the page people get. Are they bouncing at the top of the fold, or are they going further down? So you can see here that 100% of people saw that because that's above the fold. And then here's where the average fold is. It shows you, and then you can see how it starts to go. So most people are still scrolling at this point. And they're still scrolling, They want to see the speakers. This is for a summit we were hosting. And then you can see people start dropping off a little bit down here. So here's the pricing section, and then they really just start dropping off down here at the bottom of the page. So if you have something important down at the bottom and people aren't seeing it, okay, it tells you we need to move something up. If you're getting all of a sudden a big drop off on one particular part in your page, well, maybe that content isn't very good or interesting for that person, so maybe we should move it to the bottom or remove it or update it or something like that. So that can tell you a lot of information about what is happening when people come to your site. So jump on over to Hotjar, go install this on your website, and find out what people are doing when they come to your site.